Today I will explain to you sub 20S21S. Double wire feed structure must be installed and used. The accessories used here have double wire connection blocks, double wire feed bracket, scale 2, copper nozzles and guide wire nozzles. Connect the wire feeder to the wire guide. Demo 20S dual wire feed bracket installation. Install the double wire guide nozzle and wire feed bracket corresponding to the same nozzle. Select 20S. The connection block dedicated to double wire feeding is connected to the bracket. After the bracket is installed, installation with welding head. Next we demonstrate the installation of the 21S double wire feed bracket. Here is our wire feed bracket. Scale 2 and copper mouth and 20S are common. Have to be aware of is. Here we are using 21S. Dedicated double wire feed connection block. Then we connect the wire feed connection block to the bracket. Here it is. Let's take a look. When we use double wire feed, option to show off the screen on the wire feeder. There will be motors A, B and a plus B on the far left of the screen. When we use double wire feed, we must choose a plus B. The right side of the screen adjusts the wire feed speed. Speed range 15,600 centimeters per mini-U. This speed sets the speed during welding. The following two options are manual wire feeding and manual retraction. Their speed needs to be set in the settings interface. On the right side of the settings page there is a speed balance. When we use double wire feed, if there is a difference in the speed of the two wires, we press the plus adjustment of this speed balance.